How to fix Genie camera not connected to Wi-Fi. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your camera is not connected to the Wi-Fi on Genie app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is to check if your Wi-Fi is connected to your phone or not and see if you have connected the correct Wi-Fi and entered the correct password. And even if you're connected to your Wi-Fi but it's still saying the error, then what you need to do is first go ahead and open up your Play Store to see if there is any update available. Make sure to update the app to its latest version. And if you can see an update button right here, make sure to update the app. And after you have done that, open up your settings, scroll down until you find your apps. Now you can just go ahead and search for the Genie app right here. Go ahead and tap on Genie app. And once you find it, head over to the storage section to clear its cache. And once you have done that, you can clear its data as well if you want. And head over to permissions. Make sure that the camera permission is allowed, because if this is not allowed, then you won't be able to use the camera even if you're connected to the Wi-Fi. And once you have done that, first stop the app once and then restart your phone. And after that, your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.